Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you and your husband this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your closet pantry for food and as well as the coffee area. So we'll start with the pantry. You're 16 inches deep right now, so they won't fully extend outside of the pantry, but you'll be able to pick everything up with full clearance. So we'll start with the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and add a white shelf. Since all these other ones are white, we're going to continue to follow the white shelving, and we'll do a 5-inch height glide out in the natural color. And we put in 3 dividers. So you can move those dividers to the left, to the right, or you can bring it up to this other 5-inch height glide out that we're going to do. 5-inch is good for like bottles, cleaning supplies like you have. You can also do water bottles if you wanted in here. And then we went ahead and did another 3 dividers because you have some olive oils and some spices that you can stand up along the edge here in those containers. And then we'll go ahead and do another glide out, and we'll have a 2.5-inch height in the front. And then this slopes to 7 inches. So you can put all your bottles back here and they'll gradually go shorter so you can see everything. And then another 2.5-inch with the slope. Because you had some of those pasta, those tall containers, and you don't want them to fall over. And then we'll go ahead and leave these 2 white stationary shelves alone. So everything's going to be white, your existing shelves, except for the glide outs. That will be natural. And then we'll walk over to the right of your microwave, and we're going to go ahead and do a 5-inch height glide out for bottles, taller bottles, or larger coffee mugs, and then a 2.5-inch above. And then the right side, we're going to do a 5-inch and a 2.5-inch. Okay? So that is your Shelf Genie project. In the email, I'm going to price out the classic, which was the lifetime warranty. And then I'll do the basic, which is a 3-year warranty. So all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. All right. And my phone number is 770-380-2499. And it was nice meeting both of you. And I hope your dog, Coco, gets better. All right. You take care, and you guys have a great day.